Alrighty, these are the elevators that go to the Concourse G Skyway at MSP Terminal 1. Sorry about that, my bag. These don't get used that much, and they offer great views of the tarmac. So let's take them for a spin. These are Schindler. Look out the window the first time. What a weird floor passing check. Nice motor though. Let's go down the other one. Really cool views of the tarmac. What is that one? This one probably come up. Yep, here it comes. That's the Skyway. Here it comes. They're pretty cool and they don't get used that much. £5,000 capacity, items are expensive. I just showed on somebody by mistake. It's a pretty basic elevator otherwise, but I do like that view. Look at that, there's a plane, I think it's taking off. It's hard to tell sometimes. Good, no one's waiting for it down here. I think this one's going back up though for those people, so I will get out and just get on the other one. Guys, I'm trying to social distance here. Look at the door operator up there, that's cool. I don't know why I didn't call this one. I guess this one just sits here. Wouldn't mind. We'll take the other one another spin in a minute. Because that one seems to have a good motor. Let's look at the doors this time. Yeah, the view outside's better. Let's go to 2. Close works, I like that. Oh, there's a plane, look at that. That is awesome. That is a weird floor passing chime. See how this motor is. Other one actually is a better motor. Let's go one more spin. Actually, like the other one better. Super, super cool view though. Wow, look at that building over there. I've never seen that before. It's going up. Sorry.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention also encourages face coverings along with keeping 6 feet of distance from others.
There it goes. That one opens.
Germs. Thank you for participating in the Travel Confidently MSP program.
Oh, see that plane over there? Let's go. That'll be it.